called a great, man. What's going on, man? TSC Elite. What's going on, man? TikTok, man. Y'all turned up already, man. Skrilla, Mark Rule. You know what I'm talking about? Dr. Green. All right, man. What's going on YouTube? What's going on Facebook, man? AI Money Mastery Mondays. Once again, we're back learning how to monetize more AI tools. And I was just saying how folks tend to get into the AI space and they actually can't find their lane. They can't find their footing. And you can even see. So if people have shiny shit syndrome in regular life, oh, I could do real estate. Oh, so I do this. I build couches. I'm a travel agency. Oh, people like that. People like that. I mean, I know we all have good ideas, and I know that we're all able to think and be multifaceted. That is cool. But if you are at the bottom of business, if you are a beginner, you might as well hit on one thing. Amazon started off as a bookstore. So when people keep pivoting their message, you have to pivot your marketing. You have to pivot at your audience. You keep finding yourself pivoting because you go after the next best thing. People come in the game and say, oh, well, I use AI to build apps. Okay, well, you're now stamping yourself as an app builder. But the next week you meet them, oh, I use AI for art generation. It's like, damn, you're an artist now? I thought you built apps. Oh, well, that's also in it. It's also in it. Nigga, I don't care about your graphics and your art. I thought you built apps. Right? So that starts to get your audience confused. So if you're going to go out there and do an AI first thing, cool, y'all just find out what it is. Because again, full circle, if shiny shit syndrome already was rocking and rolling without AI, doesn't AI make it worse? Because now you have so many ideas. You want to drop the clothing brand, you know what I'm saying? And you gotta get your AI agents, you put the AI clothes on there, and then by the time you get 2 customers on the AI clothes, you're like, well, the AI clothes not working. I'm gonna go do the AI apps. I'm gonna go do stop getting lost. Stop getting lost on the first thing you do. Crash and burn on the idea first. Especially if you know it's good and it's AI first. Like crash and burn on what you said in the first place. My career has already gotten to a point to where, hey, I've pivoted in business myself, but I'm at least doing 18 months of saying one thing. Bare minimum, I'm going 18 months of saying one thing. And I see it lucrative 2 years later. I see it lucrative 3 years later. Hey, I plateau. I got high moments. I got low moments. I'm rocking with this thing until the meter says 1 million. I'm not saying I'm a leader from the inside of AI because I do know where you should apply those tools. I don't step in y'all's lanes. I know what I know from AI, and I will help you through the Ascended Masters and stuff like that. Oh shit! Hold on. Oh shit! I should have pressed text me. So through things like this in the Masters, I'll teach y'all about these lanes, how they look from the news, how they look from the function, what to pay by the token, what to do about this, what to do about that. But I don't get in y'all lane. If y'all wanted me to make y'all app, I don't even really hang out in your app hella. You know more about your app because it's your intellectual property. I don't want to get into AI for real estate. I know where a real estate agent can use it. Cool. I am more than glad to give that shit away. You'll have to have that mindset when it comes to even mastering the cash and where you get it. Like where my grand hustlers at? Like you stick by your story for at least 18 months so you learn the ups, the downs, the all arounds, the language of the lane. especially in AI. So how dare you be in AI for apps as your first business? Cool. AI for apps in your first business, cool. And you're learning how to build up apps. You're learning coding. You're learning how to do this. You're learning autonomy within your apps. You're learning how to sell apps. You're learning about the API calls. You're learning about functions. You're learning. Like you're actively learning. Like whoever went to school and was you get confused in school because they teach you math one person, 1 second, one moment is math, one moment is English, one moment is history, one moment is, unless you're good at school, and unless you're successful at school, like, come on, man. Well, maybe that's just me then. All them classes splitting it up. If I was able to just drive and hone in on math for 3 months, I would learn math. I'd be better at math, like going in, getting the tutors, learning that math. Now I can be a math teacher. A lot of the students never came up as teachers. And then teachers make very little money. They don't even see, they're telling you out there in the real world what they value teachers at. The leaders of the minds of the next generation don't even really make a bag. How is that not? Well, why are teachers not making doctor dollars? Doctors are in the game to save lives. Teachers are in the game to mold lives. That's my belief. That's my belief. And then even a doctor went to go study one lane of field until they became a doctor. Doesn't it take years? And all of a sudden she just jumps off her doctor path, and now she's a lawyer. I'm bringing in that mindset because in the beginning, too many of us rather be octopuses than humans. We come to the table the first time. Oh, what do you do? Oh man, well I do AI, and I do firearms training, or I do MMA and strength and conditioning. Oh, I do. A person would say, man, I don't know what you do. Like you do everything, huh? But I've built this up along my career to become a more personal brand. Y'all know Spin more than some of the tools. Y'all know Spin more than you know New Amenti. Y'all know Spin more than you know Scouter AI. You know Spin, you know the character Spin from Spin City Performance, Spin City Digital, Spin City HQ. The thing is, most of y'all are tied in with Spin at this point. I mean, if you're just now seeing me, I know I got some hot videos. Cool, man. Appreciate y'all for tapping in on some real good wisdom and knowledge on really making an AI an employee and not your boss. Okay, so I got myself here, but the thing is, I hone in on just being this. I'm just an AI researcher. I'm researching the data. I'm getting the news out. I'm getting in the proper techniques to you and yours. Okay. So now when you are building with AI, I'm saying run with it for 18 months. Now AI actually does give you the opportunity to run into different things. So that's what I'm saying. Shiny shit syndrome's at an all-time high. And it's being built up more and more by artificial intelligence. So that's where we must master it. Because I think if y'all all master AI on where it is, you'll say, okay, this is where I can do it in my real estate business. This is where I can do it in my fitness business. This is how I can do it in my farming business. This is where I can use it in my trucking business. So when you're able to find that out because you know AI, you know the tools, you know the functions, you know exactly where to plug and play, okay? So, this is the build up to the new way that I've created the Ascended Masters. The Ascended Masters is overall AI mastery. Instagram, TikTok. I know y'all can't see the screen. Well, I won't even share it. I'll speak on it here for a moment. The way the classrooms are now set up in the Ascended Masters school community. Welcome to Ascended Masters. Of course, how to navigate, how to play the game that is school, how to score, how to graduate, Okay, so we have AI foundations, of course, the starting points. What is Gen AI? What is app building AI? What is well, pretty much coding AI, Gen AI, large language model, learn those things, AI for robotics, da da da. Okay, you have my main course is the AI for affiliate marketing, where I'll literally use the Ascended Masters to teach you how to sell more Ascended Masters with me. I have a 50-50 affiliate marketing going. So you learn from me and then you earn with me. The AI Bank, full of live sessions ever since last October. You got AI for accelerated learning and teaching. Now, this is going to be for my teachers, all right? AI for accelerated learning and teaching. How to learn faster, how to condense time, how to condense learning through 10,000 hours, turn it to maybe 1,000 hours using AI and really getting the gist, the concepts, the points, the keys, paramount moments, downfall moments, proper memories of success, proper memories of failure in learning, in teaching and learning. Okay, so you'll learn it, you'll teach it. I'll show you how to turn your information into hyper processed information. Because AI, the information game is pretty much over, isn't it? AI can get information by the boatload by the second. If you hyper target, if you laser light your information of what you know, you're able to get it out there faster. Okay. Of course, AI for business. Now that's going to do business structure. It's going to do your marketing, your ads, your sales, and your CEO mindset. Okay, how to use AI in business. You got the agentic AI mastery in here. So when you want to learn about automations and agents, you go down that route. You go down that path. You got AI for images and animations. One of my all-time favorites has been condensed in here now. We even have AI for work. Hey, if you're working a 9 to 5 and there's more paperwork to do, there's emails to track, there's things to do on your job. Now inside the Ascended Master, it is AI for work. AI for work teaches employees and professionals and 9 to 5ers how to use AI to accelerate on the job. We got AI for apps. AI for apps that had to be there, building up sites and applications in a real way, bringing up app concepts, wireframes, MVP plans, stuff like that. One of my new favorites is AI for optimized lifestyle. Now, this is, hey, not so shameless plug. Scouter AI is coming out, and we're going to go ahead and have, AI helping folks with their diet, their exercise, because you can see it happening on Claude. You can see it happening on Google. It's always happening on Google. You see it happening on ChatGPT. But to gamify that and have that lifestyle, cool, man, good fun. Improve your health, fitness, sleep habits, da da da. And of course, the good inner city mentorship. That's what I want everybody to get on kind of right now. I mean, if you want to learn it at your own pace, for sure, getting the Ascended Masters right there, be a nice big button on Instagram. But the inner city mentorship, I want to hold some hands and walk people through navigating this AI stuff. All right. You have ideas and the income still up in there. All right. So, matter of fact, so in finding y'all lanes, y'all, let's just say you do want to go into AI with apps. See, that's the thing, y'all. Y'all don't have to do what I'm doing. I teach it. I show it. I prove it so others can learn it. Let me bring this up. Quick question. How to build your Claude profile? Yeah. Personalize, customize, and manipulate the memory. Yeah. That's a fundamental. Our AI foundations. Okay, see how it has the new look there, y'all. business owners, because y'all, straight up, let's get it. The OGs that have owned businesses for long times and getting money, and they're not tech savvy. They'll say it. Oh, well, I'm not very tech savvy. Well, close that gap and help them use AI. Because if they're not tech savvy and they don't understand that they're leaving so much money on the table by not having an automated email system, then please build it for them. Using the AI, just give them the result. Just give them the solution, knowing for a fact that you can get it done faster than anybody. You can get the software built up faster than most teams because you are efficient in AI. They're going to learn it from you. They're going to get it implemented from you. Come to the screen here on YouTube. Okay. So overall mindset is, let's master this thing by the mindset. Let's master this thing by the tool, so we all know where we fit, even in the pyramid. Because how are we all going to be AI masters, right? Like how are we all going to be a bunch of spins? Like, what do you do in AI? What do you do in AI? You know what I mean? And it's at the highest level, highest capacity, I'm going into gaming and I'm going into robotics. Right? The people I know, they ask me to do certain things, and I'm going into gaming, I'm going into robotics. I've been in short film, advertising, marketing, because I can quickly see where the tool fits in each lane by, my career just led me through those lanes. Cool. Right? And then now I know the AI stuff, so I'll go ahead and add that in. Here's need a thought. Okay. So whatever y'all lanes are, what's up with it? Rated R, man. What's up with it? So yeah, y'all, man. It's all really about mastery. If y'all want to do some Q&A, let's knock out some Q&A. Let's just do some live. Let's do some live rapid fire. I'll give y'all some game, man. And y'all know I got it, man. Y'all know what's hot on the spot. TikTok, man. Y'all showing up for me, man. TikTok is showing a lot of love with over 200,000 views on the page. YouTube as well, man. YouTube came up for me 15.4 thousand on a real small page. Y'all helped me reach the subscribers to get monetized. So, I love y'all, man. Of course, man, good Instagram, man, good Facebook, man. Y'all holding it down, all right? So, man, automated day planner that helps me. See, okay. Oh, yeah, see what I'm saying? Making them tools. You said back home, fuck it with your cuz. Yeah, that's what's up, man. That's what's up, man. I came out here to Atlanta, man, putting on. Yeah, I definitely got to get back to that Bay. Anthropic got a job over there. Is the Claude token automation worth it? Is the Claude token automation worth it? Line up the math. Line up the token math, because that's a lot that we don't know about AI. Folks just say go out there and run the AI. So if you want to automate, well, I'm thinking as if you're asking, if you want to automate Claude to do things in token spend, I would just say know the math, improve the math with the AI so you can get it back in the agent's workflow of what to spend, what not to spend. Token automation, if that's what you're asking. Metagoric, I don't know if I blew that. But when it comes to tokens, I'm like token math will lead you right down the right path. Because a lot of folks get on, no lie, if you can do like an AI controller for like a game, that's a win. You can do that. It's just like it's like any other hardware. It's just like programming a robot. The little motherboard in there, the motherboard in the chips. So many people were using aimbot. Hey, aimbot was out when we was playing Call of Duty 1. Like, aimbot been out for a long time. That's like, it should have been out most of my gaming life. And I grew up with a game tech father. Can you speak more on gaming? Yeah, using AI to, if you guys understand how to create worlds, and functions, rules, rendering. Once you understand that, you put all that into AI and you get it going. D30 said, well, there's a lot of Claude plugins that supposedly help you reduce token usage, but I'm skeptical. Yeah, going in what he said is you got to kind of do that math. Where I would do the math, y'all, would be Open Router. I go do math on Open Router. That's how you're gonna figure out if it's worth it, bro. Go to Open Router, and then you'll see the math of all of the language models. Open Router, like a router, ROUTER, Open Router. Y'all go to Open Router. For all my folks that really do this and want to see API math, say even that stuff goes into play. So when you think about video gaming, and you're doing 3D worlds, you're doing simulated worlds, you're doing rules like gravity, you're doing rules like speed, time, capability, functionality, 3D, 2D, whatever it is, y'all. And that hella goes into the simulation theory of us as humans. This is all render, time, space, rules, da da da. I got an idea nobody's speaking on. Tap in. I mean, if they're not speaking on it, they're not speaking on it. Or is it sometimes you're just not in the realm where they're speaking on it at? Because a lot of guardrails are put on what we can see on social media. But we can look over it, bro. Anytime, bro. And I'll tell you if I seen it in the space. Okay, what's your opinion on Obsidian? That thing is a monster. I ended up finding out it's a monster actually at my own event, the Techno Bowl. So as we were going over second brain theory, or however you want to call it, the second brain creation, straight up. You use AI, you get a bunch of information, you set the memories, you set the constraints, you set the rules, the OJT, SOP, whatever you want to call it, whatever little words you want to put in there, but you store memories in there. So I'm rocking with the Obsidian now. I learned it from Red and Hisayu. They was going back and forth on it because I just used my second brain as the large language model. What do you think about Hermes and what it's best for? All agents, because this was the thing, y'all. Like agents, the whole agent realm, it just seemed like it was already AI to me. You know what I mean? You'll set a course, even went back when it was Chat GPT operator. You know what I mean? And then all of a sudden they said, "Oh, OpenClaw," and so they kind of just narrowed it down. But if we all know AI, when we see a new caliber of agent, because I'm saying Kimmy Claw and all the claws, it wasn't no different from Abacus AI in 2023. 2023, it gave you retrain, predict, scalability, process, and it did on autopilot. It did it on time. It wakes up at 7:30 in the morning. It gets work done. It brings it back. You meet the agent where it's at. You extend. But for the ways that we taught it, that's it. Hermes is literally another company saying that they can do it better, I guess. Because that's the thing about the whole AI realm. Everybody wants to get over everybody saying that they have the next best agent. They have the next best tool. They have the next best this, that. And then whoever has the best marketing, really, whoever has the best marketing and the marketing approach, our name in the news, they're gonna go ahead and get ahead. They're gonna go ahead and get ahead. That's what look what happened with Anthropic. That whole move, the whole Anthropic play. Oh, Anthropic's not giving information to the gov. Okay, well, Anthropic got what's the big thing, y'all? What's the big thing coming out of Anthropic? It slipped my mind right now. Because it's The big one. They said it went sentient, and they always say something about it. Y'all let me know right quick. I don't know why I said my mind. Mythos. Claude Mythos. Oh, Mythos is come on, you can't believe it. It think for itself, it's sentient, it's this, it's that, it's the other. Like, damn. Like, is it really? And then it never comes out. And then they get tapped in with Grok or SpaceX. They get tapped in with Google Cloud storage. Oh, now they're the next best thing. Okay, well, they outmarket everybody else. But sometimes other large language models feel better. I still rock with GPT. That's crazy. I rock with GPT. I like it. I like different language models myself for different things. So when I hear about Hermes versus Kimmy versus everybody got agents. Everybody got agents. We've been talking about agents for a long time. It's like we could have been in front of this. That's the thing, my people. That's the thing, my people. When we spoke about this years ago, even using Abacus AI to do training, retraining, and prediction models inside of large language models and be in the lead of ownership when it came to data, when it came to be when we're saying you need to be in a leadership when it comes to AI tools, be an AI first company. Regardless of what you're moving with, we said that in 2023, 2024, and then now it's here to fruition. Everybody's like, oh man, it's agents. That's what we were saying was coming. That's why it's cool. It's hip to be AI first. Get in there and be AI first. So when you know the tool, you see you're already a carpenter. You're already a cement mason. You're already who you are. And they say, here comes a new tool to make it better. Just make the tool, don't dive into the next person's tool because they just put it under the guise of AI. Oh, you got to use AI. But the real estate agent is not using AI like the truck driver. The AI truck driver is not using the same tools as the AI app developer. You gotta stop mixing the tools, and then we can't be duped. That's what I'm saying. Ascended Masters, when y'all join the AI Mastery community, you can no longer be duped. You can know Julio, what's going on, bro? You can't be duped anymore. Dupe means, pay 100 for ChatGPT. Pay 200 for this Claude. Just because the marketing is so good. You can actually know what you're spending, and you know how to get more bang for your buck in AI. Right? You know how to get more bang for your buck in AI. I only need $20 worth of ChatGPT. Only need $20 worth of Gemini. I need $100 worth of Claude. And I can still run it up at spin level with just that. Because I know what I'm doing. I know what the actual intelligence is up to. Get it? I know what the actual intelligence needs to do. So the tool is artificial intelligence to accelerate it. I wrote the book. Come on, spin. Right? Not all tools are for everybody. See, that's why I got into agentic engineering and had that. Cool. I can engineer some agents, but that's what I'm saying. I'm out here to give the game so D30 becomes a better agentic engineer than me. Cool. Excellent. Stop trying to step on each other's toes because you want to use the same tools as them. Now, I know D30's tools is way different from my people that do film. So what is D30 doing? What is D30 doing spending $230 on Higgsfield? $230 in Higgsfield for a agent engineer? I hope we can all understand that language. Graphics, images, for agentic thought, theory, queries, data, research. And what is the plumber, the carpenter, the landscaping company? They don't have to engineer their own agents. They know that they need them, so they'll call an engineer to build it for them. D30 doesn't need to become a plumber. D30 doesn't need to become a landscaping company. Do you see where it meets? So as long as we're able to see it as tools, you know what I'm saying, y'all? I want y'all to go ahead and man, get in with your boy, man. The Ascended Masters on School, man. Right there on the Instagram, it's right there on the big nice button. They invented these new buttons here to where you can go right to my AI Mastery University, the Ascended Masters. If you want it on TikTok, just DM me real quick and I'll send you the link. It's supposed to be up here on YouTube and Facebook. That QR code in the upper right-hand corner, let me see. This QR, damn, my time is, damn, can't point, boy. That QR code right there, y'all. I don't see it up here spin. Really? Then why did they just show me this? It's not a big red button on my screen? Come on, Instagram, man. Or is it at that, is it this link right here? See, I don't know how my screen looks. Is there a little link button on the screen? Tag it. I'll peep it out. How I tag it, bro? It's telling me, man, it's a big red button at the bottom of my screen. That shit is ancient. Okay, there we go. Oh, I could have pinned it the whole time. Yeah, TikTok, go ahead and take that link. Well, okay. I think y'all can comment masters in the AI and send it to y'all DMs too, Instagram. Julio, let me know. The sun shines bright for everybody. So creating AI is the tool to create and move as fast as humanly possible. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, Elohim, let me know if that went through to you. All my phones are used up. Oh, cuz over here too. I got the mini chat on there. It told me it was just gonna give me the button. You lied to me. Return of the AI. Okay, yeah, I see it. I see it going out as an attachment to y'all that's saying, "What's up?" Y'all saying masters on Instagram. So I see it going out. I see it went to you, Julio. That's what's up. So yeah, y'all, it's really, again, it's the mastery. Yep, it's the mastery. Yep, right on, y'all. It's the mastery. Y'all get in there, y'all master it with me, man. I condense my years of knowledge. I give y'all years of knowledge, the context. What's for this, what's for that, what's not for this, what's not for that. And then so we can all spread the good word. So we can all spread the good word and all spread the good wisdom. But other than that, man, just using the tool to do what you do best. I'm a teacher. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what's best with it. Hey, Diva, I seen the message come up. My answer is no. I seen your message. The answer is no. All right. So yeah, y'all. Mastery. I've made a whole new school. I've made a whole new inner city mentorship program where I hold your hand for 6 weeks. That's 2 private lessons a week, and not just lessons, and not me just talking. I work with you hand in hand. I hold your hand, and you say, man, that's crazy. I'm saying Diva Bills have been a part of it. Brian Bean, they let me out here, been a part of my mentorship to where I sit with them on the computer. I point, they click, I say, they work, and things happen. So mentorship. So you can, learn it side by side with a professional that knows the ins, outs, all around. I get the news every morning. I get the financial news. I get the biotech news, fintech news, coding news, language models news. I'm in all the development platforms. forums, as far as coding, AI knowledge bases. I'm in business with Answer the Public. I'm thinking about this Anthropic position. So I'm doing my thing, and whatever I need to teach y'all and show y'all. Cool. Get in with me. Also as well, DM me if mentorship is more of a standard that you need. If you need your hand held in this game, cool. That's excellent. Holla at your boy, man. DM me on any platform. It could be on YouTube over here. It could be on Facebook over here. It could definitely be in school. That's an easy way to come get me. Instagram, TikTok. That's why I go all around, man. Spread the good word, man. See what y'all want to do, what y'all want to work on, and let's get it done. Again, 6 weeks. So 6 weeks, you ready to? I think 2-3 weeks in the game with some hyper focus, you're already in it. And then from there, we just master like your ads. We master your audience. We get that together. I'm gonna tap in for sure. Yeah, for sure. So that's just a way to get walk through this thing in about 6 weeks, knowing where it fits in your business. And again, a lot of folks don't even understand how that Meta ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, TikTok ads, how that works. So I'll be able to bridge that gap so you guys can get more sales in your business. But again, I'm a teacher and a consultant of this. Yeah, I build my own things. I do a Menti. That is my marketing software. There is what am I calling it? Scouter. Scouter is a fitness, meal, health tracking app, to where the video game character that you play within the app is only influenced by what you do in real life. A lot of thinking been going on today, y'all. Y'all can tell me I'm hella thinking, hella hard. Yeah, Scouter, man. So I'm in some good places, good spaces, building out some political systems, business systems. Again, a game. I got contracted to build out a game. We still got robots to come. Robo-dogs, robo-drones for security, agricultural defense, home defense. A little bit of military action got to be up in there somehow, some way. But yeah, y'all, get in with your boy Spin, man. I'm going through this thing, man, at full capacity, full speed ahead, man. Y'all better get in with me, nah. Have some fun, Nothing functions without a little fun first. I know you dig it. And then again, when you join, y'all, it's a 50-50 split because you go into the affiliate program. So whoever you sell on your links, by even putting an ad on my ad, that's the thing, y'all. We do what do they call? Boy, so much stuff, boy. It's been an exhausting Monday, boy. Can't even think. So the affiliate link, and I got like an ad out, and you take that same ad, you put ads on it, and direct people to your link. You're gonna make the money automatically, and school will pay you out. You'll make monthly recurring revenue directly from school. It's no handshake. It's no send me this and that. No, you just join, take the affiliate AI for affiliate marketing program, and then grab your own affiliate link out the top of the school, and you go from there. That's exactly how that's gonna work. So y'all get in with me, man. Come on, man. You see that, man? You hear that, man? Peace. What's up with Ron Water? Yeah. I want y'all to get in with me, though. That's one of these. I just want to get this stuff mastered. I want to see how many more people. You know what I mean? I got some amazing students, man. The original Black God, man. Man, the kid's a monster. Shem, Shay, Brian Bean, Judge Bowden, Keys, Derek Grace. Shit, him 500. What's the homies, man? What's the homies? I don't want to miss no homies, man. A lot of good folks, though, man. A lot of good folks have been able to learn from me and really do some damage and be dangerous in this tech world. So we want to continue. I'm gonna get some more of y'all in here again to really master this stuff, have some fun, make some functions, and be the leaders of tomorrow. Because again, as everybody, even I'm a teacher, if I go off the rocket science, man, y'all need to still to share a good word. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all go out there and share that damn good word about this technology. Because y'all on the cutting edge, all right? So that's going to be our Money Mastery Mondays, y'all. Get in with me, man. Get in with your boy on this one, man. And I make it right. And if I not offend you and you join the community and you say, you know what, Spin? This was the worst thing I ever did in my life. I hate this community. Man, I give you your monthly back, man. Because I would hate you. I would hate for y'all to have to waste y'all time. Classes are every Thursdays in the Ascended Masters. Every Thursday is a technology master class. An AI master class that goes into one of the campuses. I'm gonna start bringing other folks in here too as teachers to lay some work down and some guardrails for y'all. Phew. Every Thursday, Romar, you better get up in here, man. Come on, man. Get with your boy. I'm working damn hard. But yeah, we're gonna have some fun though, man. We're definitely gonna have some fun this season, man. It is the first. It's cracking right now. Mentorship is definitely cracking. You know, you got a friend in me. You know what I'm talking about? All right, y'all. Peace to the family, man. Peace to you and yours. Ascended Masters. Saying the word masters, commenting the word masters anywhere on Instagram is going to get you over to the Ascended Masters, which is an AI mastery university. Okay, it's set up like a university. You get videos, you get master classes, lectures, notes, activity books, flashcards, and quizzes. I'm going to make sure y'all really learn it. I'm going to make damn sure that y'all really learn it. Videos, subcategories, notes, summaries, flashcards, quizzes, points, rewards, promotions. I want y'all to be masters. When be masters, if y'all listen to me, you know, say, man, I enjoy the content. I've mastered it. Again, my pops was a tech entrepreneur. I mastered it. It's in me. It ain't on me. It's in me. All right. So y'all get in with me. All right. Peace to the family, man. Peace to you and yours, man. It's been another miraculous AI money mindset mastery Monday. That's what we gonna call it. We going crazy. All right. Peace to the family, man. Peace to you and yours. It's been your boy, Spin. You know what I'm talking about? Peace.